Does anyone look good when they do this? I would like to know. Gotta go down before you can go up. Tell me this does not give you like Texas private school mom vibes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I come at you looking pretty rough, I'd say. Not my best look. Let me take down my hair. Whew, definitely frizzy because I just went on a drive. I wouldn't say this is the best I looked. I wouldn't say it's the worst I've ever looked. I think it's just very mediocre at this point. My skin has also been breaking out mostly because of the food and drinks I have been consuming. Doesn't work with my face. This can only mean one thing. I am doing a quarantine makeover video, and let me just say, from the second the quarantine started, I just felt this video idea brewing. Honestly, it's taken me a hot minute to get here. Friday night. And this is not how I thought I would be spending it midsummer. So we're going to be showering, we're shaving, we're doing a face mask, we're whitening our teeth. I'm going to get fully ready tomorrow once this is all done with my glowy bronze skin and do like an outfit change. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited for this video and to share some of these products that I've been loving lately because a lot of them are actually new and I've tried them a couple times. I wanted to make sure they were good before I share them with y'all, but I'm just so excited about all of them. So I love to watch these videos, but I've never done one on my channel. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know with a thumbs up, comment down below any video ideas, and subscribe if you're new. First things first, I need to shower, shave, deep condition, wash my hair, exfoliate because we're self-tanning. We got a lot to do tonight, people. This is easily the most unattractive I've ever looked on this channel, but what's up? Gotta go down before you can go up. My face is so red right now and it's only going to get redder. I just got out of the shower, washed my face. I did toner after the shower to make sure my face is nice and clean so that when I do this, it doesn't mess it up. Two things right here. I'm gonna tweeze my eyebrows because I have not done those in a hot minute. I just got these tweezers from Tweezerman. They were so expensive. They were like $25 for tweezers. This is a little eyebrow razor. Originally, I think that's what they're called, but I use this to shave my face, which, hold the phone, if you have not done this, I highly recommend it. I've naturally actually very blonde hair on my face, which is kind of weird considering I have super dark hair. I use this all over my face, especially around my cheeks and around my lips. This is so great for makeup application. It just goes on super smooth, and I notice a lot of this is very visible when I'm wearing makeup. I'm trying to get rid of that. I think you're supposed to do it like once every 2 weeks or once a week or so. I definitely do it like once a month, so it gets off all the dead skin cells too, which is why I'm not doing like an exfoliating deep mask tonight. I'm gonna do like a very moisturizing one because whenever I do this, my face gets so red. It's so stupid, but I always like hesitate to do this at night in case, you know, cute boy Snapchats me, and there I am with my literally tomato red face. Just you guys wait, it's gonna be so good. This is really just an attractive angle. Does anyone look good when they do this? I would like to know. Comment down below. Usually I don't have to pluck too much. I rarely get my eyebrows waxed because for me, my eyebrow hairs just don't grow that much, so it does hurt though, especially the ones close to your eyes are like, oh hell. I literally just did a couple of hairs and now I'm gonna do underneath and just kind of shave around them with the eyebrow razor to just make sure that they're clean. This really kind of shapes them up. I don't know if you guys can see. This, if you guys get grossed out by peach fuzz, you might want to skip this part, but I literally am addicted to the way that it looks on the razor. Like, is that weird? I don't know. I think that they look better. Definitely red. So I just go down my forehead first, and you want to pull the skin taut to make sure that you're getting the maximum amount of hair off. It also gets off dead skin cells, like I said, so that's why my face turns really red. It's just so satisfying. This is also why I did not put products on my face before doing this, because this would just like obviously take them right off, and then I feel like you're just working with a whole new layer of skin out here. This should be the before picture actually. I think I look 1,000 times worse right now. You want to like make sure your hair is all the way pulled up. Why do I have like chunks of something in my hair? What the flying? Oh my god, is it from this? That's disgusting. Jesus. Do you guys see this? Like, okay, so I don't know when that stopped recording, but I guess it did. My face is just nice and fiery looking, really adding to the vibes right now. Oh no. Boy, did Snapchat me. This is not good. that this is very less than ideal. Now I'm gonna do my hair real quick before I put it back up in the bun. I just want to make sure it's nice and taken care of. I'm using the Trader Joe's 100% argan oil on it, and I actually bought this for like, are we gonna put, yeah, okay. I actually bought this for like $7, which compared to the Moroccan oil is just fantastic. I just run this through my hair a little bit. I'm focused on the ends. I just scrunch a little. I don't need my hair too curly because obviously we're gonna straighten it, but I just want to make sure it looks okay. Let's talk about self-tanning. I'm not gonna try and give you all a tutorial. If you want a video like that, leave me a comment down below. I can certainly do one, but right now I have a little bit of moisturizer on my hands, and that is to moisturize any dry areas I have. I used to not do this, and then I noticed that it was just really sticking to those areas, so I do my ankles, my knees, a little bit on my elbows, and then another big place is my wrists, especially where my Apple Watch is. For some reason that's just like super funky with the tan. So I'm actually gonna do this off camera because I do want to get a good tan, because I don't do this too often, but I also don't want to be naked on camera. So tonight I'm using the Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in dark. I used to use the Saint Tropez. I like this so much better. It also goes on a little bit more natural, so I guess if you were to be going about your daily life, you wouldn't look crazy, because when I put on the Saint Tropez one, I literally looked green. I have a very red undertone, if you couldn't already tell, so this one's really great for that, and the dark is like not that dark at all. I mean, it's definitely like tan compared to me right now, but it's not like some kind of crazy snooky orange situation. I think if you're looking for that, probably try the ultra dark. This is great for me for summer options since I don't tan at all. Hello, good morning. I just got out of the shower. I moisturized. I washed off my tan from last night. I also just brushed and flossed my teeth so that they're ready for my whitening strips. I'm actually doing the Crest 3D white strips, and these are the 1 hour ones, so I do not use these often. Usually the other ones don't hurt my teeth, but these do because they really whiten your teeth. They're great for before like prom, homecoming, any kind of big event. While I let that sit for an hour, I'm going to paint my nails. I just picked up this Essie 2-step gel manicure thing. I want to try it out because I've always seen these, and I think LT used this on me one time and it worked pretty well. I really liked this pink color, honestly, great for summer, and then the top coat is just this white. I mean, I'm sure it's clear, but yeah, fair warning, I am actually the worst at painting nails, so this is going to be very interesting. Painting my nails, my toenails, which, as you guys saw the clip, was just the most ratchet thing. I had my foot up on my desk. It is what it is. My teeth look so white, like wow. I am going to probably let my nails completely cure before I do the final makeup and hair, but holy crap, I feel like a whole different person. Like, I'm really into this. I need to do this more often. My hair's up because I need it out of my face. As you guys can see, it's very wavy today, and I didn't even fully like scrunch it either, so it just gives you an idea of what my hair naturally looks like. Last two things I have to do are straighten my hair and do my makeup, and then I'll like change, obviously, do the full reveal. But I wanted to share with you guys some of the products that I use to straighten my hair, because I feel like my hair straightening game has just gotten so much better. This straightener is truly phenomenal. It's from Babyliss. It's the Nano Titanium one. I originally got my hair done at Ulta, and they use this. Ashley, amazing. If you're in Charlottesville, go see her. She's just queen. She used that. My hair has never been so smooth, and every time I use it since, amazing. I also always have a brush. I like to have a heat protectant glove just because I always run my fingers through my hair afterwards, and I don't want to burn my fingers. And then I usually have one scrunchie and then 1 to 2 clips, because I clip up, especially like this last section here, many different parts of it. I just have a comb because after I straighten my hair, I like to comb it out to make sure it's tangle free. But I feel like the brush makes it too puffy. So that's all the products there. I don't put any heat protectant in my hair. I think it's fine. I also don't straighten my hair that often. During the summer, I rarely do, if ever. Honestly, right now I'm just bored. I think today I'm gonna do more of like a blowout look with like the curled ends and just like very effortless, got your hair done at the salon look rather than stick straight. I'm going to do a little time lapse and then I'll show you guys how I straighten the top section of my hair. Section here of my hair, and when I section off the top I do all around and then I section it by part, and then I do multiple vertical sections just because my hair is very thick on the top and obviously I want it to be looking nice. I just brush it out. All the other sections are clipped behind my hair either with a hair clip or scrunchie. So what I do for this is then I'll divide it in a couple of different pieces, and since my hair is naturally wavy I really make sure that the roots are nice and straight, and then I just run the straightener slowly but steadily through my hair and I leave out the ends. You're probably like, Meg, why would you do that? Why wouldn't you straighten the ends? Since I'm curling them under anyways, I want to make sure that I'm not putting too much heat on my hair, and plus it would just negate the straightening that I'd be doing anyways, so win-win. Trying to avoid too much heat on my hair. And then I'll just turn the straightener under and go slow, but once again steady, otherwise you will leave a mark in the hair and that's just not a good look. I think it looks pretty good, and then once I'm done at the end, like I just finished here, I'll take all of my hair down, and sometimes there's sections that I can't really tell that I missed. Not that I missed anything, it's just like blending it all together in a way. Obviously they will fall throughout the day or night or whenever you're doing it. They look like a lot right now honestly, but it's fine. But obviously hair is done. I'm really into it. It'll definitely like fall, like usually falls. I don't put any hairspray in it or anything. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm gonna do like a little time lapse just because I'm really just very average at makeup and I don't feel like I'm in the position to give a tutorial, but I am gonna share the products with you guys. I think I'll just like do them up on the screen or something so you guys know what I'm using, because I did get a bunch of new products and I'm super into them. Hi, Meg from the future doing a voiceover because I thought this was too boring without one, so here I go. I haven't done one in a long time. Okay, I'm priming my face with this Smashbox Photo Finish primer. Then I use this contour palette for eyeshadow just because I like never do eyeshadow. So I just did this brown color in the crease, kind of blended it out. Kind of just don't know what I'm doing here. And I use this big fluffy brush, put some white in the inner corner. Then I've been really loving this brow gel from NYX. It definitely is pretty dark, and I'm watching Kotiko. That's why I'm laughing in all these clips. But I think it definitely looks good with my hair, but you know, it's a bit dramatic first. Then I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I just got this like a couple weeks ago. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Great for covering your pimples and also highlighting areas of the face that you want highlighted. So I generally do this before putting on foundation. I just use this Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend it in. I wet it beforehand just so that it got nice and smooth. Then I use my classic Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. I have used this for years now, continue to buy it, and I just started to blend it in with the Beauty Blender brush, and then I actually went in with the Real Techniques buffing brush, which is what I use on a regular day-to-day basis just because I'm lazy. And I actually recently purchased this as well. This is the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. Let me tell you, this is very overpriced, but honestly, in my opinion, worth it. I really like it. So yeah, I'm just applying that on any areas that I want to quote unquote bake. And I've actually been doing like underneath where you would contour, and it really makes the contour pop. Yeah, here I am just dying. This was the Kotiko episode of That's Cringe where it's the cheap wrestler. I highly recommend if you haven't seen it. A couple minutes later brushed that off, and then I put on blush with this brush. What a tongue twister. This one is from Milani. Great drugstore blush. Oh my gosh, I can't even speak. Okay, and then I'm using Hoola bronzer with a smaller version of that brush. Also just recently purchased this. That would explain my $150 Ulta order that went into creating this video, and I just alternated between the two brushes to get kind of what I was going for. And then I use this NYX Butter Gloss. I love this shade. I think it's really flattering on my skin tone. And then I use my classic L'Oreal Voluminous Slash Paradise, whatever that was called. I use this every single day. This is the final look. Pretty glowy, a little dramatic. Woo! Finished my makeup. It's definitely a bit extreme. I feel like the lips are really just what's doing it in. And my eyes just like, I just literally put brown shadow in my crease and then I put white on the inner corner. But it looks like I'm literally ready to go to prom. So that's the vibe. I'm gonna pick out an outfit and I'll show you guys the final look. I just put on this all white outfit. Tell me this does not give you like Texas private school mom vibes. Like, could this be my future? I hope so. I have the final look for you guys. This is like more casual and more like summertime. I've never paired any of these pieces together, but I really like it, especially once I go back in the fall. It's gonna be really hot there, so I could probably wear this to like go out maybe, or hang out with friends, or like a low-key thing. I don't know, like this is kind of those vibes. Not too fancy. I'd actually probably put a necklace on too, and definitely wouldn't have this heavy of makeup on. I'm wearing these medium-sized hoops from Target. This top is from Ann Taylor Loft. I really like it because it's textured and it's a cute little tank top, and I like the V, but it's not like too deep cut because I don't usually like to wear low cut tops just because I feel like it looks a bit provocative with my chest, so it's just not my thing. I'm also wearing these white denim shorts, which I always end up having to adjust, but they're from Marshall's. I just like the combo of the black and the white, and then also the mixing of textures. These are my brand new shoes from Vintage Havana. I would probably actually lace them up if I were actually wearing them. They gave me horrendous blisters the first time I wore them, so I'm hoping that when I wear them again and walk in them, they won't like ruin my feet. But I really like them. They look from a distance like they're golden gooses, so haha. I'm just like really into the high top sneaker look right now. Overall, I feel like I'm going to the prom right now, but I'm just wearing normal clothes, so I thought this video was honestly so fun to film. One, because it gave me something to do, and two, because I feel a little confident in myself right now, like, okay, go off, queen. If you guys like transformation videos, definitely let me know by leaving me a comment down below, and if you are new, definitely subscribe. I make new videos. I'm out of breath. I make new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.